Welcome to our exciting journey into the realm of easy Mini Woodcrafts, where creativity meets functionality. Here, we'll explore the art of crafting beautiful, small-scale wooden projects that not only add charm to your home decor, but also hold the potential to generate income. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this space is designed to inspire and equip you with the skills needed to turn simple pieces of wood into stunning decorative items. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. From rustic to contemporary designs, there's something for everyone. Our mission is to guide you through various creative projects, showcasing techniques that will help you unleash your artistic flair while building confidence in your crafting abilities. As we dive into this world of Mini Woodcrafts, we'll cover everything from selecting the right materials to essential tools and finishing touches that elevate your creations. You'll discover a wealth of project ideas that cater to different skill levels and styles, making it easy for anyone to get started. We'll also discuss strategies for marketing your crafts, ensuring that your hard work can translate into profit. So, whether you're looking to beautify your living space or embark on a new entrepreneurial venture, you've come to the right place. Join us as we embark on this creative adventure, where each project invites you to express your individuality and connect with the timeless craft of woodworking. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have plenty of valuable insights and tips to share that you won't want to miss. Each segment is designed to enhance your understanding of Mini Woodcrafts, offering practical advice that can elevate your crafting skills and inspire your next project. By staying engaged, you'll not only gain a deeper appreciation for the techniques and ideas presented, but also discover how to effectively market your creations, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Our goal is to provide you with a comprehensive resource that empowers you to explore the vast possibilities of woodworking. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into the wonderful world of crafting together. Mini Woodcrafts are a delightful way to blend creativity and functionality. These small-scale projects not only add charm to your living space, but also present lucrative opportunities for those looking to earn extra income. The beauty of working with wood lies in its versatility. It can be transformed into countless decorative items that appeal to a wide range of tastes and styles. From rustic to modern designs, the options are virtually limitless, inviting crafters to explore their artistic side while creating pieces that resonate with potential buyers. For those new to woodcrafting, starting with mini projects can be an excellent way to build confidence and hone your skills. The smaller size of these crafts means that they often require less material and time, making them perfect for beginners. Simple tools such as saws, sanders, and drills are typically all you need to get started. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can experiment with different techniques and designs, gradually expanding your repertoire of skills and styles. Selecting the right type of wood is crucial for any crafting project. For Mini Woodcrafts, lightweight and easy to work with woods like pine, cedar, or plywood are often ideal. These materials are not only affordable, but also readily available at local hardware stores or lumber yards. Understanding the properties of different woods can help you choose the best option for your specific project. Consider factors such as grain pattern, durability, and finish when making your selection, as these elements will influence the overall aesthetic of your finished piece. Equipping yourself with essential tools will make your woodcrafting experience more enjoyable and efficient. While you don't need a large workshop to create mini projects, having a few key tools can make a significant difference. A basic toolkit might include a handsaw, a drill, clamps, sandpaper, and wood glue. As you progress and take on more complex projects, you may want to invest in additional tools like a jigsaw or a rotary tool for added versatility. The right tools can elevate your work and help you achieve professional-looking results. When creating Mini Woodcrafts, it's helpful to have a purpose or theme in mind. Whether you're crafting for personal enjoyment, to enhance your home decor, or to sell at local markets, defining your intent can guide your design choices. Consider the current trends in home decor and the preferences of your target audience. Items that serve a dual purpose, such as decorative storage solutions or functional art, often attract more interest and can command higher prices in the marketplace. There are countless mini woodcraft ideas to explore, ranging from simple to intricate designs. Some popular options include wooden coasters, picture frames, small shelves, and decorative signs. Each of these projects can be customized to reflect your personal style and the preferences of your potential customers. Incorporating elements like stenciling, painting, or wood burning can add unique touches to your creations, making them stand out in a crowded market. In today's digital age, effective marketing is essential for selling your mini woodcrafts. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook provide fantastic opportunities to showcase your creations and connect with potential customers. High-quality photos, engaging descriptions, and regular posts can help build your brand and attract a following. Consider participating in local craft fairs or markets to gain exposure and receive direct feedback from customers. Building a strong online presence along with local engagement can significantly enhance your sales potential. Determining the right price for your mini woodcrafts can be challenging, but is crucial for your success. Consider factors such as the cost of materials, time invested in crafting, and the market demand when setting your prices. Research similar products to understand what customers are willing to pay. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability and fair compensation for your efforts. Transparent pricing builds trust with your customers and can lead to repeat business and referrals. Creating a recognizable brand can set you apart from competitors in the woodworking market. Your brand should reflect your unique style and values, resonating with your target audience. Consider developing a cohesive visual identity, including a logo, color scheme, and packaging that aligns with your artistic vision. A strong brand not only enhances your credibility, but also fosters customer loyalty, encouraging buyers to return for future purchases. Building a relationship with your audience is key to sustaining a successful crafting business. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and sharing your creative journey. Hosting giveaways or contests can also encourage interaction and expand your reach. By creating a sense of community around your brand, you'll foster a loyal customer base that supports your work and shares it with others. As you gain experience in woodcrafting, don't hesitate to explore new techniques and styles. Experimenting with different methods can keep your creative process fresh and exciting. Consider incorporating mixed media, such as combining wood with metal or fabric, to create unique pieces that stand out. Attending workshops, watching online tutorials, or joining crafting groups can expose you to new ideas and inspire your next project. Incorporating sustainable practices into your woodcrafting can enhance your appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Using reclaimed wood or sourcing materials from sustainable suppliers demonstrates your commitment to eco-friendly practices. Highlighting these efforts in your marketing can attract a niche audience that values sustainability, setting your work apart in a competitive market. Collaborating with fellow artisans can enhance your crafting experience and open new avenues for creativity. Consider teaming up with other crafters or artists to create unique, limited edition pieces. Collaborations can introduce you to different techniques and styles, enriching your own work and expanding your audience. Networking within the crafting community can lead to valuable connections and opportunities that benefit your business. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of easy mini woodcrafts with us. We hope you found the content inspiring and informative, and that it sparked your creativity to start your own crafting journey. Your support is invaluable, as it encourages us to continue creating and sharing more engaging projects and ideas. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for future updates, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might also enjoy diving into the art of woodworking. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you even more exciting content that helps you unleash your creativity and find joy in crafting.